With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Two equally charged, identical metal spheres x and y repel each other with a force 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. Another identical uncharged sphere C is tossed to A and then placed at the midpoint between x and y. Net electric force on C is, according to question, two equally charged identical metal spheres x and y repel each other with a force taking F, which is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton given, and the distance between both spheres taking small r. Let the charge on each sphere be small q, and they repel each other with the force F. F equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into q into q divided by r square, where q is the charge, r is the distance between both sphere, and E naught is the permittivity of free space. We can write this as k into q square divided by r square, where k is the 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Taking this equation as first equation. Now, according to question, a third identical uncharged sphere C is first tossed with sphere x and then placed at the midpoint between x and y, and the charge on sphere x is equally distributed between sphere x and sphere C. Therefore, charge on sphere x is equal to charge on sphere C, which is equal to q by 2. Now calculating force on sphere C due to sphere x, taking F Cx, Fcx is equal to k into charges q by 2 into q by 2 divided by distance, which is also reduced, r square by 4, which is equal to k into q square divided by r square, taking this equation as second equation. And now calculating the force on sphere C due to sphere y, taking F Cy, which is equal to k into q by 2 into q divided by distance, which is r square by 4. After solving this, we get 2k q square by r square, taking this equation as third equation. Now the net force acting on sphere C, taking Fc, is equal to Fcy minus Fcx. After subtracting, we get k into q square divided by r square, taking this equation as fourth equation. Here we can see that first and fourth equation are equal, so we can write Fc is equal to F, and in the question we have given the F value, which is 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. So k into q square divided by r square is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. This is the answer, and the correct option is option A.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.